On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2016 Coachmen Catalina 293RBKS. This dual slide-out travel trailer features a simple yet elegant design perfect for that couple that wants to maximize their outdoor experience. Step inside and enjoy the open concept feel created with the large slide-out sofa and booth dinette. The kitchen features an L-shaped counter area with a double sink, high-rise faucet, plus plenty of storage both above and below the counter. There is an oven with a 3-burner range, microwave, refrigerator, and pantry. The door next to the pantry opens to the bathroom at the back of this travel trailer. Inside, you'll find a neo-angle shower with textured glass door, corner sink with medicine cabinet and mirrored vanity above. Next to the toilet are 2 linen and 1 large closet prepped with washer-dryer connections if needed. Straight ahead, to the front of the unit, there is an entertainment center with stereo, space for a TV above, and a fireplace below. Just inside the main entrance, the door on the right opens to the front private bedroom. The master bedroom has a queen-size bed and provides a quiet retreat where you can rest up for another fun-filled day of adventure. There are 2 bedside nightstands on either side, plus mirrored wardrobe closets and overhead storage. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.